Hello, freshmen. I'm here to walk you through your Naviance tasks on Naviance. This is a part of your high school graduation requirements, and it is actually a lot of fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to student.naviance.com. That's student.naviance.com. You're going to be prompted for your high school zip code, which is 80829. You're going to log in with your email. You may need to reset your password, but your password should be Mustang with a capital M and your 4 digits. Once you log in, you'll see a screen similar to this. There will be a welcome screen for you, and I'm going to use my demo account here, so it is a little bit different, but it should show you everything you need. First things first is you're going to edit your path. You're going to select your path for whatever that looks like for your life after high school. This will help Naviance kind of design a Naviance portal specific to your path. So you've got associate's degree, which is a 2-year degree, bachelor's degree, which is a 4-year degree. Maybe you want to go to a trade school and you need like an apprenticeship. Maybe you want to join a military branch. Perhaps you want to go straight into the workforce, or if you're undecided, that's okay too. Or maybe you want to graduate high school, take a gap year, see the world, do something, and then come back and choose one of these other paths. So for right now, we're just going to select the path that aligns best with us at this time, and we are going to select that. This will change every year that you do this, and depending on your path, it will change as well. All right, so there are a few tasks you need to do. The first one is write your post-secondary goal. So to do this, you're going to come up here to this little blue dot. You're going to hit the drag down menu, and you're going to hit goals. It's going to give you hopefully just one goal here that says 9th grade goal. For the post-secondary goal right now, demo, we have 2 to choose from. You're going to go ahead and add your 9th grade post-secondary goal. We do have instructions here on how to do this because a post-secondary goal does need to be well thought out. And it's simply, after graduating high school, my goal is to basically enroll, find employment, or maybe enlist, okay? And you can fill in the blanks as to what that looks like for you. So you can copy and paste that to get you started, or you can just go ahead and start. My goal after graduating high school is to whatever that looks like. Tell us why it's important and what steps you will do this year to reach that goal. All right, so again, some of you might want to go to college. Maybe some of you want to go take off a family business. Maybe you want to join a military branch. Whatever this looks like, that is totally fine. You will reevaluate this every single year, but it does need to be pretty well thought out because we do review every single one of these. After you'll do that, you're going to go ahead and add it. You're going to get this box here that says mark as done. When you have thought out your goal, you're going to hit that mark as done. You're going to get this green box here. So that is the second task for you to do. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to self-discovery, and you will take this learning and productivity personality assessment. What it is you're going to have as much time as you need to complete this, and you're going to go ahead and hit this start assessment. What's going to happen is it's going to ask you several questions about what you like or don't like to do, and you're going to answer those accordingly. At the end of that, it's going to give you a report based on your Holland traits as to what your best learning style is. You're going to record those on that piece of paper you have for your 4-year plan, and you're going to go ahead and look into those at a little bit more depth. It is a large report. It is really interesting if you want to take your time to read it, and that is what you need to do. All right. I hope you guys found this helpful. We appreciate your time, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can definitely go into Naviance and look at things a little bit more in depth if you wish to. It is a large tool, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to see your counselor. All right, and we will see you soon.